Welcome back to another video. So I finished work and I just felt like coming and doing a quick painting. It's pitch black outside and it's raining and it's cold, and I've come into my little art room and I've got my heater on, and I have a light on here which oops, it's gone off. Hopefully the light will be bright enough for you to see what is going on. So hopefully it's good enough, because like I said, the caravan doesn't have any lights or anything yet. So I'm just running some, just a couple things off an extension lead. But anyway, so all I'm doing now is I'm layering some colors into this cup. And I just want to try something that I haven't actually done this before. I've done something similar but not quite the same. But I just want to give this a go and see if it works, because if it does, it's going to be really, really, really pretty. So I'm just putting some paint in this cup. I've already taped up the canvas and I've put my push pins in and all that kind of stuff. I don't know how much paint I need, to be honest. I don't suppose I need that much. Anyway, we'll just see. When you try something new, all you can do is try and see if it works, right? That's all I'm doing, just trying something new that I haven't done before. I really think that's enough paint. So, okay, so in this bottle, believe it or not, it's not dishwash liquid. In here I have Deco Art 24 karat gold. Okay, now I don't know why it does this, but Deco Art 24 karat gold reacts differently to the other paints. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put quite a bit of that down. Okay. Then on top of that, there are bubbles, but I'm going to torch it afterwards, so I won't worry about that now. On top of that, I am going to pour my paints. Okay. And then we are going to tilt it. So again, just go to the sides, bring it back to the middle, go down to the bottom, bring it back to the middle, go down to the side, bring it back to the middle. Alright, I'm going over now. bit of it coming through. I'm going to torch it, that might help it, but let me just try and stretch it a little bit further. Okay, let me torch it quick. Let me take my gloves off. It didn't really work. It didn't really work. I think my paints were too thick, to be honest. Not the gold, but the colors that I put on the top, I think were too thick. I think it needs to be a thinner consistency. So I will show you what the gold does, because it has done it a bit very, very slightly. Very, very slightly. I mean, I could try and tilt it further and see. Maybe it's just that I've got too much paint on here still. I don't know if you can see the sides. I don't know if you can see the gold shining through there. I don't know if you can actually see it with the light. Okay, here you can see it a little bit better now. So there, the gold is starting to pop through. So I'm going to just try and tilt it some more and just see if more of this gold comes through. So there is gold. There's quite a bit of gold that popped through this side. Those gold cells. So it sort of worked, but I mean, yeah, I would have liked more gold to come through, because that's really pretty, you know. But in all honesty, look at that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this painting. Look at the lines, look at the colors, look at that. I mean, that is very pretty. That blue is metallic. The one you're looking at now in your picture, that blue, that's metallic. So when that dries, it's going to be so pretty with a little bit of gold bling, you know. These lines are so pretty also. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to do this painting again, but I will make my paints a little bit thinner and see if we can get more gold to come through. But yeah, I'm happy with it the way it is. Happy with that. So thank you for joining me on this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you over the weekend when I do some more paintings. See ya!